Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to resolve the issue when you are doing the merging feature between the branches. Okay, so let's get started. Here we have a develop branch, and now I will create another two new branch to work on another phases of the project. I will call it a develop phase 3 and that one and that 2. Okay, let's do it. Select the develop branch. I click on branch. Check it out. Two. Okay. So for now we have just has the two new branches are in the local repository. And for now we have before working on these branches, so we have to commit it. We have to put it to the remote server. Okay. So this one first put it to. Okay, cool. It had been committed to the remote server. Same thing for the dev one. Okay, cool. We have done the uh, pushing the brand of the dev one and dev two to the remote servers. And now we are working on this. And I will open the working folder of the dev one phase 3. I will open the file here, dev 2 file 1. I will change it in the dev 1. Okay, something like that. And I will commit it to a server. Put it to the remote server. Okay, cool. Now I will check out the dev 2. I will open the working copy, go to a browser. Yes. So now I will edit the text here. I will name it this is the shortcode will be using to deploy the location feature. We should use one. Okay, something like that. So now I will commit this to the dev 2. Okay, cool. And now open back the working copy, open Edge browser, dev 2, no, file 1. Okay, cool. So now I go ahead to merge the chain from the dev 1 to the develop. Okay, sorry, check out the develop. And now we right click on the dev 1 here and select the merge develop phase 3 dev 1 into the current branch. Okay, so after that click on develop and put it to the develop. Okay, so now the dev1 has been merged into the develop. We are open the working copy and see the chain here. We have the dev2 file 1. Yes, it had been represented the code of the dev1 for this one. And now I will open the SourceTree and I will merge the dev2 into the develop. Okay. So now you can see here we have a merge conflict warning. You are now have merge conflict in your working copy that need to be resolved before continuing. You can do it by selecting the resolve conflict by blah blah here. Okay. Resolve conflict. I will open the external merge tool. So now I'm using the different merge auto merge result. There were one conflict that would not be automatically merged. There must be manually resolved. Okay, you can see here at the center we have the Day5. There is the original text, and on the left panel here we have the new chain of the dev1. The dev1 is adding new text here and thank you message. And on the right panel we have the new content added by the dev2. This is the shortcode we'll be using to deploy the login feature. We should use it on instead of other. Okay, so now you have to consider which one you want to be merged to the base file. You have to select the left or the right to be included in the shortcode. You are also able to include both left and right into the base file here by copy it or do it manually. Okay, so here I will select the right to merge into the main. Okay, because I think the, on the right here for now it look better than the left. Okay, so after the modification here is done, you click on save file, close it. Okay, here we have some the unstable file here. There is a temporary file, and you can go ahead to delete this. No need to commit it to the SourceTree. Okay, so now you can see here we have the dev2 file 1 had been added new content here. This is a shortcode we'll be using to deploy the login feature, and thank you will be removed, and we should use this one instead of other. Okay, so when you see the difference here, the minus icon meaning we have removed this line of code, and the plus icon here meaning we have just add new line of code into this file. The same thing here. Okay, so now we go ahead to commit the new change to the developer branch. Okay. Okay, commit. Cool. And now open the working copy. Open this one. And I will open the file here. Okay. 9. So now because we have just select the content, merge content from the dev2 into the develop. So now you want to continue develop for the dev1 and dev2 here. So we should merge the code from the develop back to the dev1 to make it to make the new file and the new chain had been added to here. Okay. First, you have to check it out, that one, and select the develop and the merge to current branch. Open this one, put it, put. Okay, open working copy. Open this one. Yes, it should be the same for now. And okay, so because for now the dev2 it looks the same for develop brand. So if we try to merge the develop into the current brand, let's see. Oh, we have two new merged to this one. Let's see what is this. Put it. Okay. Okay, so for now we want to continue working on the with the new feature for Dev 1 and Dev 2, and for now the shortcode from the develop has been reflect into the Dev 1 and Dev 2, and three branches here look the same thing, and you are able to continue coding on the Dev 1 and Dev 2 branch. So after that, when we have finished anything here, so you should do the same workflow we have done it before by the copy the code to the brand you are working on, and after that you merge it to the develop or something like that. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue when you are doing the resolve conflict when you are merging the many branches into a brand. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.